Hi everyone, today we have another package. First of all, we have this Game Boy DMG with this weird battery. What is it? Wow, we have a rechargeable battery here. Amazing. Let's check if it's working or not. Okay. Unfortunately, we have unfixable line here. Yeah. I think we have a problem here. Maybe the battery terminals is corrupted. Yeah. This one is working. And this one need a new polarizer. Unfortunately, another unfixable line. And the last one, the shell in the worst condition. Okay, this one I have a very nice screen. We need some IPA to clean this contacts. Okay, let's remove this one and check if we have audio or not. No, we have no audio. So all of it have problems. And another Game Boy Advance with a missing battery cover. It's working. Very nice condition, except for this missing battery cover. Game Boy Color in a very nice condition. This button need to be cleaned with IPA or to be replaced. Yeah, need to be cleaned. And we will restore this yellowed shell. I paid $100 for all of this collection. Now I want to test this rechargeable battery, so I will bring my Game Boy Advance, or I will check if it's working with this one. Yeah, it's broken. Is it working? No. Let's check the voltage. No voltage at all. Can we open this? I don't think so. So this one is unfixable. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.